Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how to connect Airtable to Google Sheets using Zapier. This can be super helpful for automating your data workflows, but before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below so you never miss out on our latest content. Okay, so connecting your Airtable to Google Sheets using Zapier can save you a lot of time because Zapier can consolidate data from multiple sources into a single Google Sheet. For example, if you are using Airtable for project management and other tools for marketing or customer management, you can combine data from all these sources in one central location for better analysis and reporting. Also, when you connect Airtable and Google Sheet, during its automation process, whenever a specified event occurs in Airtable, for example, a new record is added, Zapier can automatically create a corresponding entry in Google Sheets. That will save you time and reduce the risk of human error. So how do we do that? I'm here at Zapier.com. So if you don't have an account yet, you might want to sign up for free. It's easy, right? Go to Zapier.com. So I'm using Google Chrome right now, but it's okay if you're using other browsers. Also, if you don't have an account in Airtable.com, create one so you can integrate these accounts into one single automation process, right? I also created a spreadsheet for this video, right? So what we're gonna do is hover here, right? When you are in the on the home page, you wanna create a zap right here. Just an orange icon here. When you create a zap, you will be asked, all right, to have a trigger, an action, all right. Say we're gonna create a trigger right here. So you will be sent here in tables, right? So because we're gonna connect the connect Airtable Google Sheet for an automation, we might wanna go here in tables, right here, all right, and say I wanted to change it. I'm gonna add my Google Sheets here, the one that I created right here, this one. Okay, you will be asked to choose an event here, all right. So it's either the copy the worksheet or create worksheet, and you will be asked to sign in with your account. Since I've already connected my accounts here, so it's no longer needed, right? And then here in the action, you can create a trigger and choose the buttons for Zapier tables and the spreadsheet. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching.